Right then guys, as promised, the close-up. Now I've downloaded the Sena utility app. On there you can preset up to 3 telephone numbers as well, and using the combination of the way the buttons work, you can make a call. Right, so without further ado, let's do the close-up part. Right, this is the bit where we have a look at the charging cable, and for that we need the charging cable. So that's there. That's a good length. Good length. So, oh, by the way, this is USB-C fit, and you'll need an adapter for your control. In the UK we use these chunky 3 pins, and of course you need a power source. So that's there, that's in, and there we have it. I don't know if you can see that just now. Well, the little red light comes on indicating that it's charging. So there you go, you should be able to see that all right. Okay, so like I said, charging time from 0 is 2.5 hours to give you 12 hours of use. Okay, right, so that works and we can see that. That's all really good. So let's take that out. Again, make sure that when you put your little rubber cap in, give that a little squidge in to make sure that that's good. Okay, right, so again, let's turn it on. Okay, so I don't know if you saw that. When it connects, don't forget you press the center button and the plus button for 1 second, or if you say 1000, then it kicks in. It flashes red and then it goes blue, and then you've got a constant blue pulse. So that now means that the phone's connected. And to turn it off, it's the plus button and the center button. Goodbye. And it tells you goodbye, which is great, because a lot of these devices, they come and they just flash, or they don't, and they don't tell you anything. So that's good. But anyway, what I wanted to show you was the earpieces that are nicely tucked away there, and they're really flush. So the best way to show you is to take off the pad, and you can see inside, hopefully, there, how flush that is. It's actually recessed into the helmet itself. Let's just take this, unclip this pad so you can get a better view of it. Okay, so there's the better view. There's the better view. Right, you can see the poppers as well, and obviously I'm a pinhead, so there's a small for the cheek pads. The cheek pads do come out. I don't want to do it because it's new, so they just pull out and they just slide back up there and they recess in. And there's a bit of Velcro at the top there to hold the pad in place there. Now you can take these out obviously if you want to, but I'm not a massive fan of it. I like the warm fluffy feeling you get from a helmet when it's nice and snug. Alright, the poppers, very, very easy to pop back in again. Now you can get the centre lining out as well. Why you want to do that, I don't know. Well, apart from washing it obviously, but I mean, I know people that take them out and don't even wear them because they wear a beanie or something, but yeah, whatever. So anyway, Again, the visor, as you can see, I've every time, because it's so hot, I'm sweaty, every time I touch it, I put a fingerprint on it. Alright, so and we were saying about this front bit as well. So there we go. The Sena Outride Smart Motorcycle Helmet.